Hi guys, this journey of HCMC has been a mad one still. This court case has been ongoing. It's been mad, and it's even got to the point of us HCMC investors were unsophisticated investors. We don't know what's going on and we don't know how to invest according to Philip Morris. So in today's video, I'm going to give you guys an update on what's been going on with HCMC, why today is a big day for HCMC. And if you like to support the channel, make sure you guys subscribe and of course hit that notification bell. And just remember, I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I a legal advisor. I'm just an unsophisticated investor like yourself, giving you guys up to date information on what's going on with HCMC. And with that being said, let's get this bread. July 26, 2021, Healthier Choices Management Corp, HCMC, today announced that on July 23rd, 2021, the District Court for the Northern District of Georgia granted Philip Morris USA Inc. and Philip Morris Products SA motions to dismiss HCMC's patent infringement action against them. HCMC has 14 days to file a motion for leave to file a further amended complaint, which HCMC intends to do so by the deadline. So part of the reason why the judge granted Philip Morris's motion to dismiss the case was because of Exhibit J. I mean, who knows what Exhibit J was? For all we know, it could have been Lord Bruno. All seriousness, Exhibit J was a document that was submitted by HCMC, and the judge probably felt that it was a weak argument and went ahead and granted the motion to dismiss the case. However, this motion to dismiss the case was with prejudice. So if HCMC comes up with a better argument, especially today's the deadline that they have to basically respond and come up with something more sufficient, some better evidence basically. So if they come up with better evidence or a stronger case, then I don't see why the judge wouldn't take on the case. So a lot is riding on today, the 6th of August. Basically, I hope the team at HCMC have been spending the whole night last night pretty much preparing the case, coming up with something, because look, it's not just about HCMC as a company, it's not just about the lawsuit, it's about us investors. We're invested into HCMC at the moment. We're expecting a return on investment, and also long term we're looking to hold HCMC long term, which means that the reason we actually got into HCMC in the first place, or behind HCMC and invested into it, is because we had faith in HCMC, and also we thought the lawsuit was going to go in their favor. But nevertheless, we see potential in HCMC. One thing I find funny is, I get it, court cases might be stressful for both parties, etc., Philip Morris and HCMC. But the thing I find funny is that Philip Morris actually trying to attack HCMC's investors by calling us unsophisticated investors. All the reason I find this funny is if you look at the DD that these so-called unsophisticated investors are coming up with, is very detailed, very thorough, and very good. So the post covering this was on StockTwits. Actually was from Jawsome Source. I mean, check him out. He's actually really good. He's an actual attorney that's been covering HCMC from the legal side of things, and the information he's been coming out with has been very good. I've been following it. It says, consistent with that understanding of the facts, the first thing HCMC did after the court dismissed its complaint was to promise its investors it would file its motion to leave to amend with 14 days. The audience for HCM's allegation is neither the court nor a jury of Georgia citizens. It is unsophisticated investors misled by HCM's allegations against defendants. But the fact that Philip Morris went as low as to call people unsophisticated investors, I mean, that's really low. How are you going to try and attack people's investors? They're a publicly traded company as well, so would it be fair to say that their investors are actually unsophisticated as well? You know, it doesn't make sense, and it's very childish, you know. So Philip Morris, get your act together. I mean, at the end of the day, is it not you guys that use a Redditor as an exhibit? I mean, looking at the chart, on the 23rd of July was the time the judge granted the dismissal of the case, or granted the motion to dismiss the case. Must have been after market hours, because the next day there was a gap down, but the bulls actually recovered on that session. But since then, HCMC has been making a good recovery. I mean, the price has even broken back above the 10-period moving average, which is a very good short-term momentum indicator. So if the price is above this, then you can believe in the short term that the price is going to actually move with good momentum. As you can see, the last time the price broke above this was on the 13th of April. And then we saw some very good bullish moves all the way up. Took the price from 12 to all the way up to 36. So it more than double, actually tripled. As long as the price stays above this 10-period moving average, I believe we can see some really good movements on HCMC, especially with seeing as A lot of people are anticipating what's going on with today, like whether HCMC actually respond with some good news. Everything's really riding on today. Like every time there's a big day, everything rides on that big day. So we'll see what happens today with HCMC if they respond. Another thing is Philip Morris said that if HCMC don't respond today with a strong case or anything like that, they're going to come after them for basically legal fees, etc. Going to enforce the legal fees onto HCMC, because the way they see it is that HCMC is wasting their time at the moment. And then from today, we can only assess the situation on what's going on. Right now, it's looking like it's spiraling into a soap opera drama. And right now, I'm just getting my tea, getting ready, get a popcorn, just watch this unfold, because it's actually very interesting seeing how it's unfolding at the moment. But just remember, the decision is down to yourself whether you want to keep investing in HCMC, if you want to hold it long term, if you're already invested, or if you've seen that, look, HCMC is dipped, this is a good time to get in, especially with the price looking like it's recovering. Then it's down to yourself. Just do some background research, understand what's going on with HCMC, this court case. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys subscribe and of course hit that notification bell. Like the video, comment below, let me know your thoughts. And also this will let me know that this is the kind of content you guys want to keep seeing, because I'm more than happy to keep coming up with updates on what's going on with HCMC. Like I said, it's looking like a drama right now, so there's some tea happening and I like to see the tea. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.